Hi, YouTube.
It's different. It's a lease.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I just wanted to look.
What's up, Nalene? She's here at RDB. We want to wish you a happy birthday, so we're not recording.
Oh.
We got this beautiful Cadillac Escalade in. We're about to do a body kit on it. This is that 3-stage pearl white color. Very tough color to match. This color is very tough to do a body kit on. The Next Nation body kit needs a lot of prep work to get it to fit right, to make it smooth. We have to make it look really nice. We're not just gonna paint it and put it on. A lot of sanding, primer, sealer, more sanding, and then finally the base coat, the pearl coat, and the clear coat. Alright, so we filled up the pinholes and the waviness of the kit. Now we're test fitting it onto the vehicle. We got the front bumper off with the front lip on there. Fits pretty good. We're gonna do some minor modifications, make it right. Gotta take all the grills off, all the silver stuff. We're gonna do everything in the body color, so it's gonna look really clean.
We have a Mercedes here, it's done. We powder coated the wheels, good to go. Calipers are done as well. And that's it, we're gonna take it out for a car wash, detail, release it to the customer.
A lot of you guys are familiar with this particular Performante. This is Jake Paul's Lamborghini Huracan Performante.
A Lamborghini Huracan Performante 2018, 640 horsepower.
It's that really nice blue color. It's got a lot of aftermarket mods on it already. VF Engineering did a supercharger system, so it's got the power. It looks really nice. It has the 1016 Industries body kit on it, and particularly the hood, the fenders. Here we go.
Where are you guys from?
San Antonio, Texas.
Texas. All right.
I love you.
Looks really good. So the Starlight headliner that we've been doing a lot on the 4x4s, we are now doing it on Jake Paul's Performante. So we're currently working on this brand new Escalade with the Next Nation body kit on there. Very tough. The kit has a lot of components. This is a newer model Escalade, so there's more sensors, parking sensors on there. Unfortunately, the body kit wasn't designed for that. So we are right now modifying it. We made this design so essentially the parking sensor doesn't go crazy. Here we have how it came pretty much. Basically, we're making this right now so the parking sensors don't go wild on the customer. Little things that people don't take into consideration is stuff like this, which takes a lot of time and effort and designing everything. So I think when it's all done, it's gonna look really good. It is a controversial kit. It is very out there, but I think for an Escalade, it's gonna look really unique and cool. So let's do it.
We have a Range Rover here. This car came in for a blackout, so that's what we did. And as you guys can see, the wheels satin black. We did the brake calipers red as well. Some of the parts of the car we did body color. It looks perfectly nice. So we did body color here. Also had the front windows tinted, and the whole car is a satin black theme. So as you guys can see, the grille too came out perfect. Satin black grille, emblems, good to go. Beautiful, done. Releasing it to the customer.
I'm from Norway. Yeah, I watched the show here and I just had to come back. It was a big dream for me.
We are going to be doing a Starlight headliner. This one is very tricky because there is not much room in this car and the headliner is actually glued to the bottom of the roof. So we're gonna probably remove this, make our own headliner with Starlight and put it back. The G-Wagons we do, we take them off and we use the existing one and we put it back. But this guy, fortunately, is going to be trash once we take it off. So we're gonna have to make our own. Checking out this Porsche, unfortunate little accident, but Clear Bra saved most of it.
Let's get it started. We have a G63 here today, Monday morning for service, synthetic oil change, filter, and then we're gonna check everything else and see what else is necessary on this car. And we should have this car wrapped up in about an hour or so.
We already had a lot of issues with the Starlight on the roof as the vehicle stock Alcantara headliner was glued on. So we had to make our own headliner. We had to do some trimming of some panels. We had to make everything fit. And right now we are putting the box, the light controller for the Starlight right now. We are putting it in somewhere other than the inside of the vehicle because there's no room. So we're doing that. We're gonna finish it up today and we're gonna show you guys what it looks like when we're done. You guys have already seen this Wraith on our channel before. It's a badass looking Wraith. It's very different than the usual white and black ones we do. This one is a beautiful gray color from the factory. We also did 24-inch brushed gold Forgiato wheels. The car is significantly lowered, which is a big request from the customer, which I agree with, looks amazing. Did a blackout on this using satin black. So that gold, gray, and satin black together looks amazing. I couldn't be happier with this car. Everybody loves it. In person, it looks even crazier. Just happy to do something different. And yeah, we just fixed the rear bumper for him. He had a little fender bender on the bumper, so fixed it, paint it, put it back on. He's good to go. So on to the next one. Installed the Starlight custom headliner. You guys have been seeing we've been doing this for years now. Started with the G-Wagons, but now we're doing it, on any car you want. For example, this little Huracan with its little Alcantara headliner. The original headliner is glued to the ceiling, so it's very difficult. You have to make a new headliner. You have to trim panels on the sides. There's a lot to it, but we got it done. This is complete sunlight out, so there's a lot of light in the car. But you can still see the lights, the fiber optics. We can change colors. You got red, you got green, you got yellow, you got purple, blue, white. You can turn it off, you can turn it back on. Have a jump colors. So right now it's going through all the colors, like almost like a club. So we are doing currently a Ferrari, actually a 48 Ferrari. That's going to be a big special build. It's gonna have a lot of mods to it, outside, inside, everything. We are doing a Starlight on that headliner as well, so it's gonna be really cool. In the meantime, check it out. got this new Escalade finished up here. It's got the Next Nation body kit. This kit is from Japan, so it's a little wild for our standards. However, I think this Escalade looks really cool. It's that pearl white 3-stage paint, beautiful paint color. So we opted to do a lot of it in white, very minimal in black. This kit was a pain to install. It's got a lot of stuff going on. It even has a part that goes onto the side steps. The electronic side steps deploy with the body kit on there. That front grille is the stock grille. Many people change it, but however, I like the stock grille a lot. When you paint it, it looks really nice. Lots of touches on this car. It's got front LEDs on the lower bottom. The wheels are color matched to the car. Everything's color matched. So we finished up another one. Tow truck's coming. On to the next one.